In social pedagogy, next important unit, teaching learning material. According to Dr. Coben, the percentage of learning through vision, we learn 83%, through auditory perception we learn 11%, through smell perception 3.5%, through taste perception 1%, touch we learn 1.5%. I am repeating, according to Dr. Coben, the percentage of learning through vision or eyes 83%, through auditory or ear is 11%, through smell perception or nose 3.5%, through taste perception or tongue is 1%, through touch perception or skin is 1.5%. Next, ability to learn. Through reading 10% memory, listening 20% memory, seeing 30% memory, listening and seeing 50%, explaining 70%, doing and demonstration 90%. I am repeating, ability to remember, reading 10%, listening 20%, seeing 30%, listening and seeing 50%, explaining 70%, doing a demonstration 90%. Next important area in social pedagogy, Edgar cone of experiences. Edgar was an American psychologist and educationist. Edgar classified learning experiences into 11 types. He classified learning experiences in a cone model. In bottom, more concrete experiences. In the top of the cone, more abstract experiences. In competitive examinations, you should remember the order of the experiences from bottom to top, top to bottom. As I said, Edgar was an American educationist who classified learning experiences into 11 types. From bottom to top, first one, direct and purposeful experiences. So what is direct and purposeful experiences? If the teacher brings the school or class to the social environment, for example, if the students participate in agriculture, if the student controls the traffic to learn road safety rules, it is direct and purposeful experience. Second one, contrived experiences. Second one, contrived. If direct experience is not possible, so we can provide contrived experiences. For example, visiting Eskimos' houses, igloo, is not possible. So you can make use of artificial ice cubes and show the house of Eskimos igloo. It is an contrived experience. So you can't provide direct experience to teach about solar system and universe. So you can provide a planetarium, or students can visit planetarium. So it is a contrived experience. I am explaining Edgar cone of experiences from bottom to top. The first one, direct and purposeful experience, where the student involves in natural environment by using learning by doing principle. Second one, contrived experiences. If direct experiences are not possible, you can provide indirect experience in the form of artificial situations. Next one, dramatization. There are different forms of drama. Pageant, it is a stage show. Pageant requires costumes. Pageant requires rehearsal, proper script and different settings, makeup. And second one, tableau. Tableau was a French word which means doll. In tableau, actors perform neither actions nor dialogues. I am explaining different forms of dramatization. The first one is pageant. Pageant is related to an open theatre show or drama. For example, so you can explain different mythologies or Christmas nativity drama in pageant. So pageant is a public open auditorium drama. Second one, tableau. In tableau, actors perform neither actions nor dialogues. For example, Gautama Buddha, who is sitting under Bodhi tree or Ashwatha tree. I am explaining different forms of dramatization. The first one pageant, second one tableau, the third one is pantomime. In pantomime, actors perform actions, not dialogues. So, in pantomime, actors only perform non-verbal behavior, not verbal dialogues or words. Next one, role play. The difference between role play and pageant. Pageant requires rehearsal, role play doesn't require rehearsal. To perform a pageant, so makeup is required, music is required, setting is required, costumes are required and rehearsal is required. To perform a role play, rehearsal is not required, costumes are not required and proper rehearsal and settings are not required. So without any preparation, if students perform a drama, it is called role play. So these are the four forms of drama. First one pageant, it is a stage show. Second one tableau. In tableau, actors perform neither actions nor dialogues. Third one pantomime. In pantomime, actors use only non-verbal cues, gestures rather than dialogues. And role play, without preparation, if student perform a drama, it is called role play. I am explaining Edgar cone of experiences from bottom to top. The first one is direct and purposeful experiences. The second one is contrived experiences. The third one is dramatization. In these three activities, children involves in learning situation based on learning by doing. Next, fourth one from bottom to top, demonstration. Teacher explain important concepts by conducting demonstrations by using different apparatus and material. So demonstration, to prove an idea, if teacher performs or conducts experiment, it is called demonstration. From bottom to top, the fourth one is demonstration. For example, to explain eclipses, solar and lunar eclipses, if teacher uses different models and conduct experiments in front of the students, it is called demonstration. Next one, field trips. From bottom to top, field trips. The difference between field trip and educational tour. If students visit nearby place, it is field trip. If student visits faraway places, it is educational tour. If trip is confined to only one day, it is field trip. If trip is more than one day, it is called educational tour. So field trips, students may visit geographical places, historical places, economics related places, government places, cultural places, scientific places in the form of field trips. Field trip is a mandatory in CBSE curriculum. From bottom to top, I have been explaining Edgar cone of experiences. So from bottom to top, experiences arranged from concrete to abstract. More effective learning to less effective learning. The first one, direct and purposeful experiences. The second one, contrived experiences. The third one, dramatization. Fourth one, demonstration. Fifth one, field trips. So field trips means visiting nearby places. So field trips is also called study trips. In Edgar cone of experiences, from bottom to top, first one, direct and purposeful experiences. Second one, contrived experiences. The third one, dramatization. Fourth one, demonstration. Fifth one, field trips. And the sixth one, exhibits. Exhibits means models, working models, dioramas, mock-ups. Next one, educational television. From bottom to top, first one, direct and purposeful experiences. Second one, contrived experiences. The third one, dramatization. Fourth one, demonstration. Fifth one, field trips. Sixth one, exhibits. And the seventh one, educational television. Educational television has different channels. For example, IGNO is telecasting educational programs through Jnanadarshan. In Telangana, through Yadagiri channel, so some educational programs are telecasted by SIET. In Andhra Pradesh, some educational programs are telecasted by Saptagiri channel in collaboration with SIET. So educational television is also a good learning experience to the students, followed by motion pictures. So motion picture means movies. From bottom to top, in Edgar Dale cone of experience, so the first one is direct and purposeful experience. Second one is contrived experiences. Third one is dramatization. Fourth one is demonstration. Fifth one, field trips. Sixth one, exhibits. Seventh one, educational television. And eighth one, motion pictures. And ninth one, radio, recordings and still pictures. Remember, the eighth one is motion pictures, there is a movement, and ninth one is still pictures, radio, recordings, still pictures. And the 10th experience is pictures and visual symbols. For example, posters, charts, graphs, maps, cartoons, comics. So these are all related to pictures and visual symbols, the 10th learning experience in Edgar Dale cone of experiences. In Edgar Dale cone of experience, the highest learning experience, on the top of the cone, the 11th experience is text and verbal symbols. For example, in lecture method, only verbal communication is there. So lecture method is an example for verbal symbols. So text and verbal symbols is the last experience from bottom to top. So remember, all these experiences in pairwise. From bottom to top, direct and purposeful experiences and contrived experiences. Remember these two experiences together. Next one, dramatization and demonstration. Remember dramatization, demonstrations. Followed by field trips and exhibits. Field trips and exhibits. And remember three experiences together: educational television, motion pictures, still pictures. From bottom to top, the first one is direct and purposeful experience and contrived experiences. Remember these two together. Followed by dramatization, demonstration, 4 over. Followed by field trips and exhibits, 6 are over. Followed by educational television, motion pictures and still pictures. So the 10th and 11th, remember together, visual symbols and verbal symbols. So entire learning experiences can be remembered by using this technique, pairwise. If a question lies like this, from bottom to top, the 5th learning experience, answer is field trips. From top to bottom, the 2nd learning experience is visual symbols. Sometimes a question lies like this. In Edgar Dale cone of experience, from bottom to top, experiences are concrete to abstract. Remember, from top to bottom, the learning experiences are abstract to concrete. So this is Edgar Dale cone of experience. By repeating this video and writing important points, so you can remember all these experiences.
ప్లే స్టోర్లో ఎమిలీ అకాడమీ అని టైప్ చేసి నేడే యాప్ డౌన్లోడ్ చేసుకోండి. ఆల్ ది బెస్ట్.